Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to next AndroIndian tutorials. From here we will concentrate on Java. On Java, first we'll concentrate on core Java tutorials. In core Java, first entering into this core Java, first we'll see introduction about core Java. So what is core Java and how it will and what are the versions, how it came, that we will see this. So introduction to Java. So before going to this Java, we need one clarity on program, because using Java we will write here programs. So what is program? So program is nothing but it's a set of instructions. What is instruction? Instruction means something like action. So simply we can say program is a set of instructions which are executed by a machine to reduce the burden of the user or a human being by performing the operations faster without any mistakes. Simply it's reducing the burden on human being without any mistakes. That is called as a program. It's a set of instructions, like I want addition, I want multiplication, or I want to print 1 to 100. So that kind of will write. But when I'm writing to write 1 to 100, maybe I'll do some mistake in between and it time taken. So but when you write something called program, it can execute whenever you want. So it can reduce the time and it can be useful very quickly. So that is program. After this program, using some of the programs, we build one software. So software, next word we need to understand software. So software is nothing but it's a set of programs. Software is nothing but it's a set of programs. It's a combination of multiple programs which is called as a software. So it can be execute multiple tasks because we are combining multiple programs into a single software, so that it can be execute that many things. But here softwares are two types. So softwares are two types. We need to understand what type of softwares. Softwares are two types. What are the types? We need to understand the types. So one is system based software. It's a system based software. What is system based software? So system based software is nothing but which as designed to interact or communicate with hardware devices and make them work are called as a system software. For example, it's a operating system. I install Windows. So that Windows as interacting with my hardware components, then my laptop is working. Like same drivers, sound drivers, Bluetooth drivers, etc. So these all are the examples for this. But for this system softwares, example are which languages we are using to build this means C and C++ language will use to design such type of softwares, that is system software. So simple words, system software as designed to interact or communicate with the hardware components to make them work. So that is called as a system software. So that we can use, we can build lot of applications using C and C++ applications. Then next Next, second type of application as that is application software. So application software. So what is application software? This software is designed to store data, provide entertainment, process data, do business, generate reports, etc. Means simply using this application we can store data. So after storing the data we can do some data processing and finally we'll generate reports. So like this is a simple different applications what we are using in our regular life, that is Paytm and railway tickets, RTC tickets, etc. whatever it should be. So this we called as an application software. So these kind of applications generally will develop using Java and .NET, Java and .NET and so on, etc. So many languages are there, using that we can build. But here our course is to Java. So Java means here we developing these applications. So that is software application software we are building this. Again in this software application there are two subcategories, that is standalone software, another is a web-based. So what is standalone? So standalone application is nothing but it can be executed in a single machine called as a standalone application, single machine. Like example as MS Office. I'm installing each and means every system we need to install MS Office. If we won't install in a second laptop, it could not work like that. And the players like this in each and every system we need to install standalone application. So that is called as a standalone application. Then next, same here, web-based application. Web-based. So what is web-based software? So web-based software means it can be executed in any machine in the context of browser. Using browser we can execute in any, means whatever applications we are opening in a browsers like Google, Gmail, Facebook, whatever, these all applications we can say as a web-based application. Means we'll develop and we'll install code somewhere, but it can be accessible from anywhere from the browser, any device, not only laptop. You can access this is from mobile, access wherever it should be. So that is this. So this is the web-based applications. So nowadays mostly we are developing this web-based applications. So this is this. And coming into other point here in this here in Java. So this Java as released by Sun Microsystems in the year of 1995. So this is introduced with 3 versions. First version as JSE, Java Standard Edition. So this standard edition we can use to develop standalone application. If you want to develop standalone application, you need to learn as Java Standard Edition, that is the JSE. You need to develop that. And the next JEE. This is Java Enterprise Edition. So if you want to develop web-based application, this is web-based. If you want to develop a web-based application, this is enough. Means Java Enterprise Edition is useful. This. And the last is JME, Java Mobile Based. If you want to develop mobile application, we can use as JMG, Java Mobile Edition. But nowadays we are not using this mobile application because all mobiles different mobile development applications are there, mostly we are using that. So now here what we are doing here, we are concentrating on this application software. So here we are using this web-based applications only. This we will learn in this course. So thank you for watching this. So we'll see in a next video on features of Java. Features of Java we'll see in the next video. Thank you for listening this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.